Right, Audi 1.8 TSI. Done timing chain on this. Um, Replaced the injectors. They were stuck open. One of them was stuck open. Yeah, that's it. But it's had a misfire, and I've not looked at it since that work's been done. But yeah, it's dirty. It's been packed up. So I'm thinking it's just the plugs have failed. But this is what we got at the minute. But yeah, not too happy. Obviously, car's filthy. It's been parked up for like a year. But yeah, let's pull the plugs, have a look. Oh, it died. But yeah, these are the spark plugs are looking. As you can see, quite dark. Some of them covered in fuel. But let's clean them up, get them back in. Hopefully it makes a difference. Spark plug's cleaned, put back in. Let's start it up. If not, gonna have to get VCDS out. See what's happening. Yeah, let's get VCDS. So VCDS, I cleared the fault codes. It's somewhat happy. There's like the occasional misfire. But yeah, it's not cut out again. But yeah, probably needs some new plugs anyway. I don't know how long they've been in there, so I'll get some of them ordered. But other than that, I think I'll go back. Yeah, no fault codes at the minute, so yeah, we'll leave it at that. But yeah, that's that one done for today. I've still got loads of stuff to do. I've got the airbox to put back in. There's no battery clamp on this. That's just on there loosely. Need to leak test it. But yeah, I done new timing chain. Cam's come out, resealed the cam cradle. 4 new injectors. There's a plug somewhere down here I need to repair. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it's done. Anyway, next video, exhaust.